Good day to all the employers there in Hong Kong. I'm Jeb Sorosa Vlog, 43 years old, single mother, blessed with one child, 8 years old boy. I live in Barangay Lantic, Carmona, Cavite. My height is 152.4 centimeters and weighing 42 kilograms. I took up Bachelor of Arts in college, but I was not able to finish my studies because of financial problem. I am third child in the family. I have two sisters and one brother. My father's name is Madardo Ablog. He is a retired private employee. And my mother is Natividad Ablog. She is a housewife. I work in Kuwait for 8 years. In the years October 10, 2007 until May 26, 2015 as a restaurant crew in a pizza chain with the same employer. It's my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I work in Kuwait in the years September 14, 2017 until July 17, 2018 as a household worker with a 3 family member, the husband, the wife, and a 3 years old girl. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, do the laundry, ironing, washing the car, and look after the 3 years old girl, like bathing her, feeding her, change the diaper, and playing with her. We are two helper of the family. We are not cooking food in the house because it's all from the restaurant. I didn't finish my contract because their business has been closed and they sent us back here in the Philippines. I also worked here in the Philippines for 3 years as a household worker in the years March 2020 until May 2023 with the 3 family members, the husband, the wife, and a 3 years old boy. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, do the laundry, cleaning the house, marketing, and look after the 3 years old boy. To my future employer, I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am also a patient, kind, trustworthy, and honest person. Hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.